Welcome to Junk a Car in Ditmas Park, Brooklyn NY. Cash for junk cars. Do you need to junk a car in Ditmas Park, Brooklyn, New York? Do you have an old, unwanted, damaged, wrecked, or non-running vehicle sitting in your driveway, garage, parking lot, or on the street? Are you looking for a fast and easy way to sell your junk car for cash? Have you been wondering what to do with your vehicle that no longer runs or costs too much money to repair? Well, you're in the right place. At Junk a Car in Ditmas Park, Brooklyn, New York, we help Brooklyn vehicle owners turn unwanted cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, minivans, and other vehicles into cash. Many people in Ditmas Park, Brooklyn, have vehicles they no longer need. Maybe the engine is bad, the transmission has failed, was the vehicle involved in an accident, or maybe it's simply not worth spending thousands of dollars on repairs. Instead of letting that vehicle sit around, why not turn it into cash? We buy junk cars in Ditmas Park, Brooklyn, New York, and the surrounding areas. Whether your vehicle is running or not, we are able to help. Do you have a damaged vehicle or a high-mileage car that's reached the end of its life? Are you looking for free junk car removal in Ditmas Park, Brooklyn, NY? We buy vehicles in any condition and make it fast and simple. Our process is easy. First, call us at 718-376-3606 or visit junkacarbrooklynny.com. Next, tell us a little about your vehicle. We'll ask for information such as the year, make, model, condition, and location, and we'll provide you with a cash for cars offer. Once you accept the offer, we'll arrange a pickup time that works for you. There are no towing fees, no hidden charges, and no surprises. We proudly serve Ditmas Park and neighborhoods in Brooklyn including Bushwick, East New York, Midwood, Canarsie, Midwood, Park Slope, Sheepshead Bay, and surrounding areas. Our goal is to help Ditmas Park, Brooklyn residents remove unwanted vehicles and receive cash in return. Whether your vehicle has mechanical problems, accident damage, flood damage, high mileage, or simply isn't worth repairing, we're ready to help. Don't let that unwanted vehicle continue taking up valuable space. Get cash for your junk car today. Call 1-718-376-3606 or visit junkacarbrooklynny.com. We are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including weekends and holidays. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us for more information about junk cars, cash for cars, vehicle removal, and selling your vehicle in Ditmas Park, Brooklyn, New York. To get started, click on the links below this video. You'll find out more about cash for junk cars, selling your car for cash, junk car removal, and how to junk your car. Click on our website, phone number, and contact information down below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you turn your unwanted vehicle into cash.